You just got to the Bonneville Salt Flats. So there are apparently wild bison, semi-wild bison that roam around out here on Antelope Island. Hopefully there's some antelope too. That would kind of make sense. Turns out the entrance fee is $15. So have $15 ready if you come out here.
It says, how to tell if you're too close. Bison moves because of you. The tail begins to rise, parentheses, warning. The head lowers, parentheses, too late. And then it says, hope you are faster than your partner. Unfortunately, I think I'm slower than Clay.
All right, we just got to the island, and look.
Buffalo.
That is a massive buffalo.
You know you have it all. It's just a state of mind. No matter what they say, you know you're always right. You got a heart of gold. The moon is on your side. No matter where you go, you're always in the light. Always in the light. Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life? Into my life. Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life? Into my life. Into my life. Into my life.
Well, we just ate lunch out here at Antelope Island. It's been a lot of fun. We saw deer, buffalo, a lizard, Utah people.
At least you tried. You are my universe. You are my space and time. Whatever comes around, you're always on my mind. Always on my mind.
Starting to get out to the desert. Man, how you doing?
Doing great.
You've been going for 2 hours strong?
Yeah.
Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life? Into my life. Don't you know you're
Switching it up.